with cryptocurrency being the big rave right now, with a lot of things going on. You got Dogecoin going to the moon. You got Ethereum Classic, Ethereum, a lot of them just going to the moon. Little reports of NIO in their San Jose office put out a job posting for a crypto, what did they say? They're hiring a blockchain and security software engineers for their San Jose in the United States office. So what does that mean? Nobody knows. Nobody knows. But no, it basically, according to NIO's job description, the engineer is responsible for designing and building blockchain systems and delivering production-ready systems in the areas of blockchain and security engineering. So it sounds like they might be kind of getting into their own little cryptocurrency, because that's kind of becoming like a thing now where it's, people are starting to accept it as payments, and it's becoming more and more popular across the world. But right now, you cannot Chinese companies cannot accept when they're prohibited from using cryptocurrencies, including like Bitcoin and stuff like that, for forms of payment. So how that's going to work, I don't really know.
Yeah, I mean, maybe they'll accept payment, kind of like Tesla does. They can accept payment as Bitcoin as payment, sell it, and then obviously before it goes over to China, because that doesn't work out, you sell it, and then you're just converting US dollars to whatever the Chinese dollar is.
Right. Yeah, I think that's a possibility. The article that I was reading was speculating that basically they're going to kind of make this reward system, because there's other competitors that have reward systems, and NIO kind of has a reward system right now where basically the user gets like points or these little cryptocurrency coins or something, and then return you could change that into like maintenance for your car, or like merchandise or something like that, as far as like converting it over for your loyalty to the company. But basically the way that the article went on to say is that it's unclear on what NIO's specific purpose is, but they said it's safe to speculate that the company is exploring innovations to its user entitlement system based on blockchain technology, which again, NIO has a user entitlement system where basically when the user refers somebody to NIO to purchase a car or to go rent a car or buy the car, they get points. They get these like little points, and they also get the points for logging into the NIO app on a daily basis, which I'm assuming they could probably use that for maintenance or like any fees that they might have, or maybe some merchandise of some kind. It didn't really say like what they could use the points for, but they also have NIO has a competitor. So one of their competitions one of the competitors in China, IM Motors, they said they created a program similar to the NIO reward program, but in that program, the users mine like cryptocurrency when they drive their car. So it's like when they're driving their car, they get this currency, and they can use that currency for maintenance on their cars. They said they can use it for they could exchange the digital currency for maintenance in the future. So I'm like,
that's pretty genius, because then people are going to drive their car more, which in turn, they're going to have to charge it more, which then gives that company more money.
Right. So
that's pretty genius.
I mean, it is. And I guess those coins that they mine, or, the currency that they mine driving their cars, earns interest rates, or like earns interest as well. So it's like they also reward, that's how they're able to reward the user for driving their car. So it's kind of like, maybe NIO's heading into this digital cryptocurrency world. Maybe we're going to get a NIO coin. Could you imagine? Would you buy a NIO coin? If there is a NIO coin, would you buy it? Let us know down in the comment section if you would buy one.
I mean, all cryptocurrencies are basically, just solely based on hype for the most part. So, and NIO's got the hype. So, I mean, that a lot of people would be buying into NIO coin. I would think.
I don't know how I'd feel about it, but maybe I would. I'm already, I'm over my head with NIO, in NIO shares than I should be, and it's hurting me. But hopefully, hopefully things turn around. We got a lot of comments yesterday saying that, typical, we're giving the good news, it's going down, blah blah blah. We know. If we look at the stock for today right now, and it's about 12 o'clock on the East Coast, we can see that NIO is up. It's up for the day. It's up 1.14% right now. Is it going to hold? Who knows? This whole market has just been crap. At this point, I'm just tired of guessing, or I shouldn't say guessing. I'm tired of just giving predictions and it just doesn't hold because it literally does the opposite of what we say. So
right. I mean, at this point, it's just one day's gonna be red. You might see 2 days red. The next day's gonna be green, and then back to red. So pretty much, you're not really gonna be making any progress. It's just gonna pretty much, if you look at the chart long term over the last few months, mainly just kind of hanging out. It's not really going up at all. It's just doing the same thing over and over. So
right,
like we've always said, or at least I've always said, I don't think this is going to change until all the fears with chip shortage and bond yields and inflation and interest rates and all that crap goes away, which I think is going to be at least, probably late summer before that happens.
Yeah. And looking at the chart, we can see that we're stuck between this $41 range, the $41 and the $35 range. It's bounced off and come back into it multiple times. And we even tested the 35 down here earlier this week. So it's I'm at this point, anything above 35 I'm happy for it. I mean, obviously a lot of us are hurting. So it's just a matter of, it getting back up and just letting it ride. But like you said, I don't see this really going anywhere until the chip shortage is done, until inflation fears are gone, until COVID's done. This is going to be a long road. A lot of people have in mind, hey, I'm going to be making a bunch of money tomorrow if I put it into NIO now. No, it's not going to happen. If you're buying into NIO, you're in for the long run. A lot of swing traders right now are trying to, feel like this is just run by swing traders like everything else in the freaking stock market right now. And honestly, that's why I've been dealing a lot with crypto, because we've been making so much money on crypto right now. It's ridiculous. The run on crypto is unreal. So right now my focus is crypto. Right now I'm holding my positions in NIO. I'm not selling out of NIO. I'm holding NIO. I'll never sell out of NIO until the day they stop selling cars. I'm not selling. But yeah, so yeah, I mean, hopefully she goes up. We'll have to find out and give it the rest of the day and find out. But that's going to wrap up this video. If you guys like this kind of content, hit that like, share, notification bell, all that good stuff. It really helps support the channel. Well, it also keeps you guys up to date with all things NIO and all things stock market. Also, links down in the description for Webull, where you guys deposit $100. You get 2 free stocks valued up to $1,800, which you could do anything with. You can keep it. You could sell it, I don't know what kind of $1,800 stock you're going to get, but I don't know if I'd sell it. But if you guys are interested in that, that's down below. We also got links down there for merchandise and the Patreon to get you into the Discord. But again, thank you guys so much for all your support, and we'll see you guys in the next video.